Garrett finally got here, man. What time is it? 5:20. You're up. Last box, actually. Number 1. Top rookies. These are just your standard base. Toby Gerhardt, number to 35. Oh, that one's number 2. Number to 99, Jericho Cotchery. And then just standard base. Two of 20, Jarvis Landry, red. Lions, Russell Wilson, Vikings, RG3, Gavin Escobar, part of the seam. Frank, you got that dual autograph earlier. You got one of the better cards in that first run with Jerry on it. That wasn't too bad. Jerry and Steve. Escobar. Did you see it? Frank, you won it in the randomizer. Mike Evans, Kevin Norwood, and number to 75, Calvin Pryor. All right, that's it, buddy. Nice Mike Evans on the end there. Thanks, Garrett. We'll get it out tonight.